Hi friends, I'm Allie Libersky and I'm a domestic wannabe. Today I am making a breakfast meal prep and it is all about the oats. All about the oats, about the oats, about the oats. So I'm gonna be making today two different oat recipes. One is a very simple granola, and then I'm also making overnight oats. Thanks so much for tuning in and I hope you really enjoy this video. So I'm going to start by getting my oatmeal, my homemade simple oatmeal ready. And that is going to take me over to the stove where I'm gonna heat up some sugar, some brown sugar substitute and honey and some coconut oil. So I am going to do a half cup of brown sugar, and I am using a Swerve brown sugar replacement. Oopsies. I am going to add 4 cups of rolled oats to my mixing bowl. So I'm going to take my sugar mixture that I have stirred it until the sugar has dissolved, and I'm gonna just pour this over my oats. And then I'm gonna use this spatula to get all of that sugary sweet goodness. Now, I dropped my whisk on the floor, so it actually hit my hand on the way down, so I had the opportunity to give this a little taste, and ooh, it's good. Like, the flavor is fantastic. So I am going to get this mixed up, but I'm going to add ½ teaspoon of cinnamon and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then get that mixed. I am a huge fan of dates, so I'm going to add a 1/3 cup, or a 4th, well, my 4th cup is dirty, so it's gonna be a 1/3 cup. A 1/3 cup of dates. I am also going to add a 1/3 cup of sliced almond. I have my baking sheet with a pre-cut sheet of parchment paper. I will link this below. This has been such a game changer for a lot of my baking, a lot of my cooking. I don't want to do any more extra dishes if I don't have to. So using the parchment paper will alleviate a full dish. And if I'm careful enough, which I probably won't be, I could maybe avoid, nope, I've already gone past. Anyway, for the most part, I'm not gonna have to do any extra dishes because this will stay on the parchment. So I'm just gonna evenly spread this out. I have my oven preheated to 250 degrees. This is gonna go in for 1 hour, and I'm gonna stir it every 15 minutes. All right, so now that I have my granola going, I'm going to get my overnight oats going. So I'm going to start by getting my oats into each of my cups. To my ½ cup of oats, I'm going to add a ½ cup of almond milk. And I am using unsweetened vanilla. I usually use unsweetened vanilla almond milk. This just happens to be just plain unsweetened almond milk. So, unsweetened almond milk. Say that 5 times fast, because clearly I can't. Unsweetened almond milk. I'm using a ½ cup that I'm adding to my ½ cup of oats. I'm going to use my 4th cup with non-fat Greek yogurt. It's about 1.5 of my spoonfuls. So I'm just gonna eyeball the rest of them. I'm going to do a tablespoon of chia seeds to each cup. This has been the only thing that I have found I ever use chia seeds in. If you have other recipes or other ideas on how you use chia seeds, please comment below because I would love to incorporate chia seeds into more recipes. I haven't really found one that I'm willing to test it out on. I do like it in my overnight oats, so that's where I put it, but I'd love some more ideas. So if you have them, please send them my way. Now to sweeten this up, I am going to be using some sugar-free maple syrup. Then I'm going to add cake batter extract. I really like this one. It's 1/4 teaspoon. I really like this flavoring. You can use vanilla. That original recipe I use actually calls for vanilla. I like this one. It's got some good flavor, and I'll be really honest, I'm out of vanilla. Though I did make some homemade vanilla a few weeks ago. And I made a video that's going to be coming out soon, so make sure you check that out. All right, so I've got my cake batter extract. And then I really want to try this to one of them. So this is a no added sugar, naturally sweet date spread, and it's from Wanna Date. I will put a link below for their website. This tastes super good. I've been looking for more things to actually use this in. So I'm going to do, so 1 tablespoon is a serving size, so that's what I'm gonna use. I've got my 1/2 tablespoon out, and I'm just gonna add it to this one. So I'm gonna use a full tablespoon to see if it's something that was really good or if it was a total flop. So I will let you know, because I'll probably try this one first. I'm gonna grab a damp paper towel because I am so incredibly graceful. I got some yogurt on the rim and outside of my cups. The reason I love using these cups for my overnight oats is all you have to do is seal them up. This is an airtight, liquid tight seal, and shake. So easy. So these are going in the fridge. My granola is in the oven. As soon as that beeper goes off in 5 minutes, I'm gonna give it its first stir. My granola has finished and it has been cooling. So now I'm just going to break it apart and then put it into containers for our meal prep. So I am using a airtight container that's gonna go in the cabinet for the granola that we're gonna be eating this week. And then I have 2 containers that I'm going to break down some of the granola, and I'm going to actually freeze it so that it lasts us throughout the month. And yes, I've already tasted this. It's delicious.
Hi.
Come here.
Hi.
Right there. Say hi.
Hi.
Wave.
Wave.
Blow kisses.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. So this is for our next 2 weeks. These are gonna go into the freezer for later this month. There you have it. Quick and easy, simple granola, and it is absolutely delicious, you guys. So thanks so much for tuning in. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and if you do, hit that subscribe button or the thumbs up and let me know how I am doing in the comments below. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'm Allie, and I am a domestic wannabe. You know it's all about the oat, it's oatmeal. All about the oat, it's oatmeal.